Why the fuck? Wait, why the fuck he pop out the van like that? What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie. Imagine pulling up to the gas station. Imagine pulling up to the gas station and this nigga hop out the van, out the window like that. Like, nigga, what you on? You know why be what you on for? I'm be nigga, pumping gas, huh, nigga? What the fuck, nigga? What you on, nigga? Get your ass back in that car, nigga.
We get to drive on the nigga, you know I'ma flip him, you know that he through.
Yeah.
Fuck that little nigga, we kill him,
mama. Oh, right here. Let's go.
Take something from who you get shot of your shit. Call the police if it's used by they tool.
Oh yeah, this some drug music right here.
You ain't out the car trying to gun something down. $500,000 on me with 100-something rounds. You ain't never fuck around play, you'll never get found. Fuck a punchline, nigga, that's a hollow. Fuck where you been, nigga, cause I ain't follow.